When Anis Jung talks to the grandmother of Mukesh, she is also filled with regret. She says that if a person is born in the caste of bangle makers, in the family of bangle makers, nothing can help him come out of his situation. This is called a God given lineage when you cannot go beyond that lineage, that line, the line of destiny written on your forehead. But if you come out of this place, you find Firozabad, lying with glass bangles all around that which are very colorful, unlike the colorless lives of these people. While making these glass bangles, children sit with their parents as well as grandparents by the side of burning lamps, and in this darkness, they keep on making the glass bangles. Here we come to the end of the episode of Mukesh. Now let us see who is Savita. She is a young girl in a drab, dull, pink colored dress sitting with an elderly woman who is wearing glass bangles. If you ask Savita the work she does so perfectly, does she know the sanctity, pavitrata of these glass bangles? She says no. But don't worry, the day she gets married, she will realize the importance of these glass bangles in Indian society. If now you talk to the elderly woman, you will realize that she is filled with regrets that are almost like the grandmother of Mukesh. She isn't happy at all. She has never got a full meal in her entire lifetime. She never enjoyed a proper meal, never got proper food. Instead, saw her husband losing his eyesight, engaged with this glass bangle industry. They have never got any promise or any wish fulfilled. It's just that he has been able to make a house for these people, which many others may not have been able to achieve. So that's an achievement on the part of this elderly man. Every home, everyone keeps complaining that this bangle making industry does not give them a proper life. They do not have enough to eat or even dress up. Firozabad, still has that glass bangle industry, the old fashioned working pattern, whereas so many things in other parts of the town and country have moved on along with time. But Firozabad has not witnessed any change in it since time immemorial. This time, Anis Jung talks to the young boys of that group. She says, "Why don't you get organized into a small self-help group? And you can invest some money and start with a new business?" The boys start complaining. They say, "We have tried, but if we do so, we are caught for something doing illegal." Illegal means the question raised is that from where did we get the money? And then the police, the law keepers, the money lenders, and many more people from high profile society and class start dragging us, ill treating us, and then we fail to achieve the mission we have decided for ourselves. As we are poor people, our world is divided into so many different things. They talk about a spiral, a circle, a vicious circle that goes on from poverty, garibi to apathy, where there is nobody to listen to them. There are greedy people who surround them, doing injustice to them. Listening to these people, Anis Jung realizes that there are two different worlds which is there in their lives. The first world is of the caste they are born into. The caste means if they are born in the family of blacksmiths, they have to remain blacksmiths and carry on with the business of their fathers and forefathers. If they are born in the family of a tea maker, they have to stay like that all throughout their lives. Otherwise, the world of sahukar, middlemen, policemen, the high profile government officials often drag and pull them and punish them for having done something wrong, which is just an idea in their minds, although these people may not have engaged in some illegal work. Daring is not a part of their growing up. They cannot voice their concern for themselves. Mukesh is a boy who is determined to become a motor mechanic, and if needed, he can learn to drive a car. Anis Jung just plays with the emotions of the boy, asking if he wants to become a pilot and drive an aeroplane, because he has never seen an aeroplane flying overhead in Firozabad, so he doesn't know how to respond. Anyway, he is fixed of purpose, he is determined, he is adamant that he has to become a motor mechanic, unlike his father and other family members who are bangle makers.